Matapos ang mahalagang anunsyo, ang housemates pinag-usapan ang maaaring mangyari.
She's a stake to win.
So like 2 games to?
Games.
So pag hindi ka nanalo sa isa, pwede ka pang manalo sa isa.
Tapos magkakalaban ng tayo, kapamilya at kapuso. Oh my God!
Ganun ba atake? Pamilya versus kapamilya. Kapuso versus
We're going against each other. Grabe, nasa dulo na tayo, no?
Or top 2, top 2.
Final na.
Kaya pala sobrang pasabog ng weekly task na yun kasi last fight.
At kaya pala may 200%.
Oh.
Pala na! Just enjoy it! But I will do my best, Kuya. Siyempre, dito na tayo. Ilalaban na natin ng todo-todo, Kuya. Malay mo naman na mapunta sa atin yung isang medalyon. Ama, ito rin. Nandito na ulit si Josh at si Ran.
Kailan ba 19?
Saan?
Yung picture nila?
Joke lang!
Habang sa boys' bedroom,
What are we doing? We're just hiding.
Rhoda, what's going on?
This is so quick. I'm back in the game. I feel it na. Kuya, right now it's like a double-edged sword for me. Lahat ng housemates po, Kuya, they've stayed here for almost more than 2 months na. And 2 months na po talaga. So medyo may part din sa akin na sana sila yung manalo at sana sila yung makapili. At sana sila pa rin yung Big Four. But syempre, at the same time, coming back inside, being given a second chance, I want it. And I'm competitive for it.
Will and AZ, please win this, please.
Renter is near, but I haven't been here in a month. I don't know, bro. This is so stressful for me.
I think they're gonna find out today also.
For sure. That's gonna make them overthink.
Oh yeah.
Kasi paano tayo nakabalik?
Yeah. This is cinema. They just kicked me out and they were like, I'm here. Coming from me, na pang-apat na beses ko na po na-nominate nung time na na-evict ako, it's very, very important. And it's such a big thing, lalo na yun nga po sobrang lapit na po nila sa dulo. I feel like everyone is so hungry to be able to win that medal and to be able to win that immunity. So it's gonna be a tough one for everyone.
ilang saglit pa sa living room,
Ano yung intensity challenge na yun?
Feeling ko sobrang intense.
Wala, bro.
Have fun na lang tayo. Whatever happens, happens.
Mahirap tong challenge na ito.
River, bakit nagiging emotional ka?
Kasi kuya, feel ko talaga na palapit na tayo sa pagtatapos. Pero I know this is a game. Pero kuya, I never wanted to treat it as a game eh. And as much as I want to do my best, I want to make it to the top, I also want them to make it to the top rin, kuya.
maya-maya pa,
Ma, bayan.
Hindi po kayo mag-away tayo.
Huwag ka na lang bapakulelat ka na lang.
Siyempre natakot ako and kasi kaming magkakapamilya mismo yung mga kapamilya housemates mismo yung maglalaban-laban. Siyempre sobrang close na rin po namin lahat, lalo na si Esnir. Andun po yung takot. Baka hindi ko makayanan ko yung mga challenges.
Aminado naman ako, competitive din talaga ako.
Yeah.
Pero
At this point, I'll let you guys.
no, do you?
I'm gonna do me, and that's me.
Grabe, no?
Yeah.
Dumating yung time na maglalaban-laban tayong pare-parehong networks.
Will, grabe nasa dulo na tayong lahat na. Proud of you.
Handa naman po ako lumaban. Kasi hindi lang naman po ako lumalaban para sa sarili ko, para din po sa mga taong nasa labas ng bahay.